Sometimes our small problems can look like a huge mountain
There is a house built out of stone.
that can stop us from achieving our goals.
Wooden floors, walls, and windows set. Tables and chairs worn by our wall of dust.
Today was just one of those days where everything went wrong from the beginning.
I don't want to hike.
Let's just drive to the stop.
That's nice here.
We can just drive to the top.
Wanted to drive to the top. Finds out you have to have some kind of pass to drive. Look at my shoes. We're hiking to the top of that. It's a 6 kilometers so far, and the cable cars don't work. How's it going?
We are quite lost.
Somebody's a little mad at me, so she's walking quite up further because she didn't get coffee, and I promised her coffee this morning. How's it going?
Hard. Guess Lucas was not ready for the hike.
Or you plan to take a cab by car? Look, car.
My English was just amazing this day, and most of my footage looks like this.
That one's true.
And in a place like this, we realized how tiny our problems were.
Stop focusing on the negative and celebrate your achievements.
Appreciate small things people do for you. Random acts of kindness.
Notice the beauty around you. make it here, don't forget to visit the alpacas.
Alpaca! This is alpaca! Guys, we came to see alpacas! Alpacas! That's the first alpaca I saw in my life! Alpaca!
This is the way to show. You like it? Oh, still recording? Look at this one, it's better. Which one's better, this one or this one? Which one, guys? You vote.